Hello and welcome back. So today we have a 105mm brass casing someone has sent in to us for some custom design work. So today we're going to be using our Xtool D1 Pro with the 10-watt laser module attached. So you can see here the sheer size of this casing compared to the machine. First off, we had to figure out how to clean up this casing. So I took my drill and attached our tumbler epoxy chuck to the drill and added some of these foam tubes around it to create a good seal on the inside of the casing so I could spin the casing with the drill. After cleaning up with some 2000 grit sandpaper, we used a black metal laser spray to coat the outside. So first, we're trying to wrap our head around on trying to get this thing level and how to do that. So after some tinkering around, we did accomplish a pretty level casing to work with here. I used part of a wood cutting board here to increase the height of the chuck and leave the roller down on the bed. I had to cut these foam squares out to increase the height of the laser because I did not have enough leg extensions to be able to get high enough for the brass piece. So in the time lapse here, we ended up using a 100% power, 40 millimeters per second, and 200 lines per centimeter. We're running this at a decently slow speed, and we're also doing it unidirectional. That means the laser only fires as it travels one direction. Wanted to try to get the best outcome we could, so it did take quite a bit of time, and I actually had to stop recording the time lapse because I needed my phone back before I went to bed. So the day is tomorrow, bright and early in the morning. We resume working on this casing here. So here we are at the sink. Let's go ahead and give this a rinse and see what we have. At first here, I was taking some caution, wiping this away. I was not sure how well this actually adhered. But after rinsing for a little bit and getting comfortable with it, I did mess with it some, and it's on there pretty good. I even scratched at it with a fingernail and it did not come off. So here we have it all cleaned up and dried. As you can see, that black stuck out really well. It is a nice dark flat black, and you cannot see any of the lines from the laser or anything, so I'm very impressed on how this came out. Size comparison there's a 32 ounce bullet tumbler that we do sell on our Etsy shop, and this is the 105mm casing on the left side there. You can just see how much bigger that is than our large 32 ounce tumblers. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.